So which stocks are doing well at the moment? Well, you can see the 0% line over there. And what you can see if I zoom in on all of that, of course, is that in actual fact, technology, yeah, not too bad. Most of them leading the way. Communication services, Alphabet, Netflix. Who knew Alphabet's in communication services? Couldn't have guessed that. Consumer cyclicals, Amazon. Really? Consumer cyclical? Because you're thinking about Amazon shopping. But what about the fact that Amazon Web Services is business related, it's not consumer? Anyway, so that's why I don't like these sector names, but you can see which ones have been doing rather well. And here's a surprise. Utilities, Duke Energy, NextEra, and Constellation Energy. So the utilities are doing well, and not so much real estate still. Now, there is a theory that you go for the laggards. Some say, I don't do that. There is another theory, you go for the leaders. I don't do that. I don't do top-down, which is you start with the sectors and just buy stocks in the winning sectors. I go for bottom up. I don't care what sector they're in. If the numbers hit, the numbers hit. Of course, if they're in a sector which is doing really well, all other things then being equal between two stocks in two different sectors and one's a leading sector, I'd rather go in the leading sector. Okay, thank you.